Listen, if you're a content creator or an entrepreneur or a digital marketer and you want to learn to build your brand and you want to learn how to stand out, even if you are starting from scratch, even if you don't have any idea of where to begin, I can help you do that with the Entrepreneur Accelerator. And inside, I'm going to give you my newest book, Digital Marketing Simplified, which is going to help you build your brand. There are some AI tools and some workshops inside that's going to help you give you a 30-day detailed step-by-step plan for your business. And we're going to give you 5 strategies that's going to help you build your niche, that's going to help you to learn to create valuable content that will attract people to your business and to your brand. We'll also teach you how to automate your business, automate your systems, and there's some marketing training also inside that'll teach you a little bit about marketing and building multiple streams of income just to help you get started on your entrepreneurial journey. Plus, you're going to get a bonus training inside that's going to teach you all about hooks and how to attract people in the first few seconds of the things that you say. And we're going to give you some training on thumbnails and titles. All of these things together in the Entrepreneur Accelerator Kit is going to help you jumpstart your business. You can do it in a weekend. You can do it for less than what it costs you to get a couple of coffees at Starbucks. Also, to help you keep all of this organized, we're going to give you a content planner. And we teach inside the Entrepreneur Accelerator also how you can get a content marketing plan, a social media marketing plan, and an email marketing plan, a year's worth of that. And then we'll help you put it into a planner so that going forward, you'll have a marketing plan for your business so that you can build your brand, you can attract people to your business, and you can do it the simple and easy way. So I look forward to helping you do that with the Entrepreneur Accelerator Kit, and this could make you thousands of dollars. So you can learn it in 1 hour, launch it in days, in less time than it takes you to watch one episode of your favorite show. Go ahead and get everything you need to get started building fast with the Entrepreneur Accelerator Kit. I look forward to seeing you inside. Scroll down and click the button that says buy now and we can get you started. Now, the decision that you make or don't make could be the difference between you making money now or you wishing that you had started sooner and wasting all that time and wasting all that money. I don't want that for you. I want you to win. So make sure you jump in, get the Entrepreneur Accelerator, get started today, get started in a weekend, because I want to see you win.